Every Walmart Pay purchase is automatically saved inside your Walmart account, so you don't need receipts to track what you bought unless the app is out of sync or you're logged into the wrong profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Walmart Pay transaction history, how to filter it, and what to do when a purchase doesn't show up. Here's how to find it. First, open the Walmart app and sign in. Your transaction history is tied directly to your account, so if you're using the wrong login, your purchases will look missing, even though they are still recorded under a different profile. Next, go to your account menu and look for your purchase history or order history section. This is where Walmart stores all transactions, including in-store purchases made with Walmart Pay and online orders. Tap into that section, and you'll see a list of past transactions. Walmart Pay purchases appear alongside regular Walmart transactions, so everything is in one place instead of being separated. When you open a specific transaction, you can see details like items purchased, store location, payment method used, and total amount. This is useful if you need to return something or verify a charge. Now here's what confuses a lot of people. Walmart Pay transactions can take a short time to appear after checkout. If you don't see a purchase right away, it doesn't mean it failed. It usually just hasn't synced yet between the store system and your app. If a transaction is still missing after some time, check these things. Make sure you're logged into the same Walmart account used at checkout. Also confirm the payment method used during the transaction, because split or declined payments may not appear the same way in your history. If everything still looks wrong, refreshing the app, or logging out and back in usually forces a sync update. Another useful detail is that Walmart groups some purchases by store visit instead of individual items, so a single trip may appear as one entry rather than multiple lines. The key idea is simple. Walmart Pay history is stored automatically, but it only displays correctly when your account, sync, and login all match. Summary.L. Walmart Pay transactions are stored in your Walmart account purchase history. They may take time to appear after checkout. And most missing purchases are actually caused by account mismatch or sync delay. Next step is simple. Open your Walmart app, go to Purchase History, and verify you're logged into the same account used at checkout. If you want more clear Walmart Pay walkthroughs like this, subscribe for more simple guides.